Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It's home and away. I want to give you a tour of my garden, of what has been happening to my garden of late. So we are making kombucha. Our last batch got finished, and I'll let it brew here as we go to the garden to check on what has been happening. So let it brew. Now let's go and see what has been happening with my garden. Let's go out. Let me remove it. God. So this is what they do after I open for them. They come straight to the garden. They scratch the soil so much, and there's nothing that is here that I've planted here that can survive. They have really destroyed my kitchen garden. My planter has literally nothing. All the herbs are gone. Everything, guys. I did not know this would happen. They're so aggressive, by the way. They eat everything. Yeah. The only thing that motivates me to still keep them are the eggs. I've been collecting eggs for more than a month. This is my biggest motivation to continue keeping the hen. And on Saturday, in the weekend that is coming, we're eating one already. Let's go and check on the main garden. Welcome to my dead garden. I left my garden to die on purpose, guys. It has been so dry. There is nothing good.
This used to be my little paradise, but after months and weeks of long drought, everything changed. I had to leave my garden to die, or rather to rest, because I couldn't sustain watering this part of the garden. Everything died apart from the bananas.
So the mango trees are flowering already, but it is not fully flowered, just a little bit. So the other side of the garden, this is what I decided to do.
So today I'm taking you on an honest tour of my garden, the challenges I have faced, and what survived during this long drought period. Not everything died. Bananas are so resilient. They weathered the storm and their leaves are the only green things that can be seen. A few bananas here and there, at least 5, that survived that long period of drought. Sometimes things don't go as you plan, but at times you have to go with the vibe. You don't need to stress yourself so much. You just let things unfold and then you'll pick it up from where you left.
Guys, that is the state of my garden. Not very good to look at this time. Not very good. We are hoping for the rains. We are really praying for the rains because it's not easy for me to water all of this garden. It's not easy. I'll be paying a very huge bill. We have no rivers around. I live in the city and I do city farm life in the city. So let's go and harvest some tomatoes. Meanwhile, the jack. Something has eaten this up. Ooh. Give the chicken. This garden used to be very beautiful. It served me for a while. But this side, I still have the kales, but the hen have been eating them a lot. But we have something. I've realized with this space, there are things that I planted here that the hen are not able to eat, like the beetroot. We have this onion and tomatoes. Eating them up. So I have to really restructure how I'm going to plant my things here. So here mainly we are going to put things that Don't focus on never mind. Here mainly we are going to focus on things that the chick don't eat, the hen don't eat so much. So we are going to put a lot of spinach and the beetroot and a lot of onions. So the other side, I'm going to be planting the kales, but we need to cover up. Let me show you. Cover up this space here so that I will deter the hens from going the other side. And this is what I intend to use. I'm going to buy more of this, and then we cover up here to the top so that the other place I can use for my vegetables. I am so used to the garden, the herbs. I don't have any herb. All the herbs were eaten. Anything that they can feed on, they make sure they're feeding on. Even I'm surprised they're eating the amarantha. I'm surprised that they also eat this amarantha. I didn't know that they eat this. Or you will see in my videos when I've already covered here. Because I want both of them. I want the hen and I also want the vegetables. I also need my herbs back. So guys, this was one of my dreams, one of my things that I really wanted to do. If you have seen my video, my resolution for this year, last year that I carried for this year, I really wanted to keep hen. But I think I did not plan early enough on how I was going to take care of them. I thought they would forever remain chicks, but as they grow, they grow tall and they eat everything that is around here. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to work on this space, kabisa, and make sure they are all covered up and I have everything. The vegetables that are here have been helping us, both to the chicks and also us as the family. Nowadays, I don't buy manure like I used to buy because I get them from here. So I get them lots from this coop and I pour them in the containers until they are well broken down. It's actually a plus when I get the manure and I also have the eggs. I'm not going to focus on the bad side, but I'm just going to look at the bright side so that I keep both of them. Starting with the hen, it was not easy, guys, because I bought the crossbreed. The first batch that I bought was 13. I bought crossbreed, and they were like 4 weeks, 3 to 4 weeks old. If you go back to my previous videos, you will see them when I first brought them home. Guys, hey, it was not easy. I was not warned. I was not told. I did not do my research well. Those crossbreed birds, if you're a first-time farmer, don't go for them. Get the ones that are 2 months or 3 months old. They're a bit expensive, but if you're a first-time farmer, do that. I lost 10 ones. After giving them everything, I was told they were vaccine. I was really taking care of them. But every day I wake up to a chick gone. I wake up to another one gone, another one gone, until 10. I only remained with 3. So when I traveled to the village, I said, well, let me go back to what I am used to, the kienyeji ones. So I went back to what I am used to, the indigenous, organic. So I bought some and I mixed them up. I still have the crossbreed, but a few. So I bought some and I mixed them up here. They have been laying. The crossbreed are yet to start laying, but the organic ones have been laying. So it wasn't that easy for me. I can't say it was a smooth ride. It was not. So even when I see them like this, when you see them in my videos running around, it was not easy. But now what I've decided, every time I'll be going home, I'll be coming with maybe 2 or 1. Because these ones I'm not intending for them to multiply. I don't have that big space. I don't want them to multiply so much. So we will be eating as we replace. We'll be eating as we replace. Otherwise, thank you guys for watching. We're still on the road to 500 subscribers. Kindly watch the videos, engage with the video. If you don't engage with my videos, you just swipe away. YouTube will not recommend it anywhere and it will just be there. We are working so hard to reach 1,000 and to get to 4,000 watch hours. Thank you guys for watching. Keep motivating me to keep creating videos. I will show you the progress as it goes on. So let's go and remove our kombucha, the tea that I was brewing for kombucha. How to make a kombucha? It is in my videos. Just go back and watch. It is all over in the internet. So we'll be making a second batch because I'm making 10 liters of kombucha, and this is what I'm going to use. I have a lot of this, the Scooby. I have a lot, guys. This is this is my Scooby bank. So we have a lot here already, and it is alive. You can see the bubbles, meaning it is very much alive. So when it is already cooled down, we will put the starter and the and the Scooby. So bye bye. See you in my next video. Bye.